Hey, and well, spero pochino. In this video, we are going to run Alpha 1 iBot. Sorry, it's early in the morning, because I always run this robot in the morning, so I need some more coffee. Yeah, we are going to run Alpha 1 iBot. It's a free binary option robot that you also can run completely free. Just use the link you see up there right now. If you are from Twitter, it's the link you see up there. And if you are from Instagram, you find the link in the bio. And for you that are here at YouTube, most of you are, you find also a link below the video. And for the ones that are from YouTube, make sure you like, subscribe, and all this good stuff. And if you have any question, put them below the video. Okay. Also below the video, you will find a promo code that gives you 100% on your first deposit. And make sure your first deposit count if you want to take full advantage of this promo code. Okay. So let's start up this amazing robot and see how much money we can make in this video. And there, the trade is done, but sadly this time around we lost. And you can see that was actually a good trade. If you have been in the trade for more 1 minute, we would have won. So, but it's okay. Till now, since I run this robot, I think I run the robot now 56 times with this time, and we lost only 3 trades. So that means we have won 53 times with this robot. So I can't complain with that. That's a very good win rate. I run the robot typically just 1 time a day. I think at one time I did run it 3 times, but most of the time I just stopped. So you can see now I got a loss, completely okay. I fixed it up after a couple of days and I'm in profit again. So I do that way. So with that, have an amazing day. And if you want to run this robot also, link below the video, and make sure that you use my link, because only with my link can you get my robot and only deposit $100 if that's what you want to do. But you should deposit more if you want to take best advantage of this promo code that gives you 100% on your first deposit, okay? But with that, have an amazing day.